Welcome back everyone. In today's video we're going to be testing out the muzzle devices for the AK-47 or AKM-47 pattern rifles in 7.62 by 3.9. We're going to go ahead and use a couple flash suppressors on this rifle as well as a few muzzle brakes and see how they perform in terms of flash signature at night. We'll go over these just top to bottom. First up will be the Krebs A2 flash hider, obviously mimicking the M4 M16 series standard flash hider. And we have the Damage Industries muzzle brake. I've done a review on this one before, but this will be the first time we're testing it out at night. Then we have the CNC 4-piece, CNC Warrior, I should say, 4-piece flash hider. Very popular muzzle device for the AK series rifles. And then we have the YHM Phantom. There's several different variants of this one, but this one here is going to be the YHM. And we have the Tapco slot muzzle device, I believe is what they call this particular one. They claim it's a brake. We'll see how that works out. And then we have the KVAR AK-74 style brake, which a lot of people, that's what they call it. This one obviously does have the proper porting and chambers correct to what the Russian style rifles are actually using. The ammo that we're going to use throughout the test is going to be the Golden Tiger Full Metal Jacket round. Before we get into any of the brakes or flash hiders, we're going to do a control here with no muzzle brake at all on there. First up, we got the KVAR 24mm zigzag brake. Up next is the Damage Industries brake. Up next. Up next is the Tapco brake that we showed earlier. YHM flash hider up next. Krebs A2 up next. One thing that surprised me out there was the overall lack of muzzle flash. As you guys saw when I did the baseline test with no muzzle device on there at all, even that flash wasn't too bad. And in the past I've shot AKs at night and there's been gigantic fireballs coming out. So more likely than not, that has a lot to do with the propellant used in the Golden Tiger ammo. So in the future, we're going to go ahead and do the same test with some Wolf ammo and see if the results vary. But anyway, we'll get into the results and just kind of discuss them a little bit here. Up next, basically, no doubt about it, both in person and as you saw there on video, the top two performers were the YHM Phantom as well as the CNC Warrior 4-piece muzzle device. Both of those produced very little, if any, muzzle flash whatsoever on this 16-inch rifle here. They did extremely well. I kind of expected it from the Phantom because I've used it on the AR before, but the 4-piece kind of surprised me a little bit, but I guess that's why we test our stuff. Anyway, if you guys have any questions about what you saw here today or anything else I review, test, you can always post those comments here in the comments section, or you can post over at my Facebook page. But thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you guys in the next video.